How to delete recently played on Spotify. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can delete recently played on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you use Spotify, you know what recently played means. It's the songs that you played recently over here in the recently played, and it features up to 12 recently played songs or even more than that. So over here, if I just show you, I have got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 recently played songs over here. Now unfortunately, what used to happen before was if we long press on a certain one over here, we should be able to find the option called remove from recently played. But as you can see right now, we don't have such type of options that says remove from recently played. So the only way you can remove your recently played is just listen to more songs so that the one at the top will be moved to the end of the screen. So what happens here is that if you listen to a certain song on Spotify, the ones that you're currently listening is showing up over here, and the other ones will start moving second, and ultimately it is going to get removed from the screen. That's the only way to remove it. So this video hopefully helped you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.